students. Today I will discuss exercise 1B. Now, question 1. Question 1 is write the greatest and the smallest among the following. Some numbers are given here. We have to search the greatest number and we have to search the smallest number. Now, what is the number? That is 29,705. This is 3,420. This is 30,156 and this is 27,095. Now first we have to compare the digits. Now this number is having 5 digits, this number is having 4 digits and this number is having 5 digits and this number is also having 5 digits. Now we have to compare the leftmost digit in the 5 digit. As we know, this is the smallest number. We have searched the smallest number as this number is having 4 digits and all the numbers is having 5 digits. And what's about the greatest number? So first we are writing the smallest number. And the smallest number is 3,420. This number is having 4 digits and all other numbers having 5 digits. This is the smallest number. Now the greatest number. Yes, greatest number. We have to compare these 3 numbers. Now we are comparing 29,000, this is 30,000 and this is 27,000. We know this is 29,000, this is 30,000 and this is 20,000. So 30,000 is the greatest number. So we can write 30,156 is the greatest number. We search the greatest number when we compare the numbers. This is 29. If we will compare the numbers, the leftmost number, this is having 2, this is having 2 and this is having 3. If we are comparing we know the 3 is the greater than others leftmost digit. So 30,156 is the greatest number in the given numbers. The next number, that is B. This is 49,560, 46,590, 40,956 and 45,960. Now we are observing this number is having 5 digits. This number is also having 5 digits. This number is also having 5 digits and this number is also having 5 digits. Now how we will compare? The first rule is not applied here. Now all the digits are equal. Now we have to compare the leftmost digit. This number is having 4, this number is having 4, leftmost digit is 4, leftmost digit is 4. Now what we should do? We should compare the next left number, that is 9 here, that is 6 here, that is 0 here and that is 5 here. We know the 9 is the greatest in the among, that is 6, it is smaller, this is 0, this is also smaller than 9 and this is 5, that is smaller than 9. So we can say the greatest number we have searched, that is 49,560. This is the greatest number. And what is the smallest number? Now we will search. The next number is 6, this is 5 and this is 0. We know the 0 is the smallest number as it is greater, 5 is greater than 0. The smallest number is 40,956. Now when we go towards other number, we will see we will see that this is 79,075, this is 77,095, this is 79,775, This is 78,092. Now we are observing the 5 digit this number is having, 5 digit this number is having, 5 digit this number is having, and 5 digit in this number having. The all numbers having 5 digit and these are equal. So first we will compare the leftmost digit, that is 7. This is 7 and this is also 7. Leftmost digit is 7 and leftmost digit is 7. So now we have to compare the next left digit, that is 9 here, that is 7 here, that is 9 here, and this is 8 here. So this is clear. This number is 7, this number 9, this number 8, and this number is 9. So 9 and 9. We have these two digits which has next digit, left digit is equal and this is the greater than 7 and 8. So we have to compare now these two digits. Now we have to compare this digit and this digit. That is third digit from the left. This is 0 and this is 7. So we can understand that the 7 is the greater than 0. So our greatest number is 79,775. Now we have to search the smallest number. We can say that this number is having 9 here, this is 7 here. We are comparing the next number, the second number from the left, that is 9, that is 7, that is 9, and that is 8. And we know the smallest among 9, 9, 8 and 7, the 7 is the smallest. So the 77,095 is the smallest number in this given number. 77,095 is the smallest number. As we know, the second left digit is the smallest, 7, as this number is having 9. This is not as smallest. This number is having 9. This is also not as smallest. This is 8. And there is one more number, 7. We have to compare the second left digit, that is 7 and that is 8. So we know the 7 is the smaller and 8 is the greater. So 77,095 is our smallest number and 79,775 is the greatest number. Now we will go towards next number, that is 10,889, 10,988, 19,088 and 18,088. Now if we will compare, that is this number is having 5 digit, this number is having 5 digit, this number is having 5 digit, and this number is also having 5 digit. Now first we have to compare the leftmost digit, that is 1, that is 1, that is 1 and that is 1. So we cannot search the greatest number and smallest number. Then what we will do, look at this number. This is 0, this is 0, this is 9 and this is 8. So it is clear that the 9 is the greater and 8 is smaller and these are 2 is 0. So we can say this number is the greatest number. So the greatest number is 19088, that is 19,088 is the greatest number. And the smallest number, we know 18 is the greater than 19, but we have to compare now these two numbers. This is having 1 and 1, this number is 0 and 0, this number is 8 and 9. This number is smaller than 9. So our smallest number is 10,889. So our greatest number is 19,088 and smallest number is 10,889. Our next question is arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. What are the numbers? This is 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and 1 crore. 1 crore 84 lakh and 31,056. And this is 3 crore 79 lakh 423. This is 9 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, and lakh. This is 98 lakh 4,067 671, and this is 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, 100 lakh, and crore. This is 1 crore 83 lakh 4,000 40,000 and 217. This is 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. This is 37 lakh 63,240. Now we have to search which number is the smallest and which number is the greatest number. Now we have to count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit in this number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit in this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This number is having 8 digit. Now, in ascending order, what happens? In ascending order, we have to search the smallest number first, and we know this number is having 8 digit, this number is having 7 digit, this number is having 6 digit, this number is having 8 digit, and this number is having 7 digit. The last digit number is this, that is 98 lakh 46,000. 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 9 lakh 84,671. Now this is the smallest number. Now we have to search the greater than this number. We have to go to the 7 digit numbers. These are the 7 digit numbers. If we will compare this number, that 379042 and 3763,214. If the left most digit we will compare, that is equal, and this is 7 and this is also 7. So this is also equal. This is 9 and this is 6. So we can say this number is greater, and we are requiring the lesser number. So this is the lesser number. So next number is 376,321,4. That is 37,63,214. This is the greater than previous number. Now we have to write number 37,000 lakh 37 lakh 90,000 and 423. This is our next number or greater number than the previous number. Now I have to search next numbers, next greater number than the previous number. That is, now here we should put the sign of greater. This number is lesser than, and this number is greater, and we have to put the sign this. This is showing that this number is lesser than this number, and this number is lesser than this number. Now I have to search next digit. This is having 8 digit and this is having 8 digit. And which number is greater and which number is smaller, we have to find. First I am comparing, and this is 1 crore 84 lakh 31,056, and this is 1 crore 83 lakh 40,270. First we have to compare first left digit that is equal, the next left digit is equal, that is 8 and 8, the next digit from the left is, this is 3 and this is 4. So we know the 4 is greater than 3. So this number will be the greatest and this will be the greater than the previous number. So I will write 1 crore 83 lakh 40,217, that is lesser than 1 crore 84 lakh 3 1 crore 84 lakh 31,056, and this is greatest number and this is the smallest number, and this is our ascending order of the given numbers. Now we will go to the number B. Here is 72,156 and this is 56,721 and this is 65,127, this is 12,576. Now we have to see the digit, which number is having the numbers digit 1 2 3 4 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5 digit and 1 2 3 4 5 digit. In the numbers, all numbers having the same digit and we have to compare the leftmost digit, that is 7, 5, 6 and 1. We know in this all first digits are differ and this we have to write the ascending order. To write the ascending order, we have to write the smallest number, that is 1, that is 6, this is 5 and this is 7. So the smallest number is 12,576 and the greater number, this is 5, that is 56,721 and the next greater number than this is 65,000, that is 65,127 and the greater number than this is, after 6 comes 7, this is 72,156. Now this number is lesser than this number and this number is lesser than this number and this number is lesser than this number is lesser than this number, or we can say this is greater than this number, this is greater than this number. Now we will go to the next question, question number 3. Question 3 is arrange the following number in descending order. We have the numbers. Now first we have to write the how many digit number, which number is having. Now this number is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. This number is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit. This number is having and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit. This number is having and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit. This number is having and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit. This number is having, and in the descending order we have to write descending order. In descending order, what we should do, we have to write the greatest number first and then smaller than previous and smaller than previous and smaller than previous. Now we have to find the greatest number first, that is 8 digit number and that is 8 digit number. Now we have to compare these both number. I am writing the number here 63872604 and 63890,503. Now we have to compare first leftmost digit, that is equal, this is 3 and this is 3. The next left number is 3, that is equal this is 8 and this is 8. This is also equal. This is 7 and this is 9. So this is greater. This is number 9 and this is number 7. See, so we know these both are the greater number, but in these both number, this 6 crore 38 lakh 90,503 is the greater number, that is 6 crore 38 lakh 90,000 and 503. This is the greatest number and this is the greatest number. Now we have to write the smaller number than this, that is 6 lakhs 38 6 crore 37 8 lakh 72,604. As we have discussed, this number is having 7 and this number is having 9 and they both are 8-digit number. So the smaller number is 6 crore 38 lakh 72,604. Now we have to search the next smaller number than this. It means we have to search the 7-digit. This number is having 7-digit. This number is having 7-digit. We have solved this. We can cut this. That this is done. And this is 7-digit. 7-digit. This is 6-digit number. So we know this is the smallest number, and we have to compare these two numbers. When we compare these numbers, this number is having 4 and this number is having leftmost digit is 5. So we know 5 is greater and 4 is lesser, and we need the lesser number this. So we will write 50 lakh 23,145. Now we have to write the lesser number this, that is 49 lakh 65,328, and the smallest number that is having 6 digit, it is 57 5,76,943. So this number we have arranged in the descending order. Now number B is here. So again in this number we will search which number is having how many digits. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit this number is having, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit this number is having, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit this number is having, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit this number is having. First, to arrange these numbers in descending order, we have to search the greatest number, and this we will compare this and this number. So I will write descending order. If we will arrange, so we have to compare. This is its first digit is similar. This is 2. This second digit is from the left side is 3 and 3. Its third digit from the left is 7 and 7. And its fourth digit from the left is differ. It is 5 and it is 9. And we know the 9 is greater. So we will write the greatest number for the descending order, that is 23 crore 79 lakh 42,006. Now we can say this is 2 crore 37 lakh 94,206, and this is the greatest number. Now we have to search the lesser number than this, that is 2 crore 37 lakh 56,819. Now I have to search the lesser number than this. Now we have to compare this is 6 digit and this is 7 digit. So we know the 7 digit is greater than 6 digit number. So first we will arrange the 7 digit number, that is 50 lakh 37,790, and the smallest number is 6 digit number. So we will write 9,87,876. Like this, we have arranged the both number in descending order. Now, find the greatest from the each pair. There are two numbers are given. We have to compare which number is greater. Now, the first rule, as we have know that we have to compare the first digit. This number is having 4 digit and this number is also having 4 digit. Now we have to compare the first leftmost digit, that is equal, it is 2 and it is 2. Now the second most digit, second number from the left is 6 and 6, this is also equal, and this is 7 and this is 4. Now we know the 7 is greater than 4. So we can say that we have to find greater number that is greater than the greater number. Greater number is 2,675. Our next number is 467 and 2,345. So first we have to compare the digit. This number is having 3 digits and this number is having 4 digits, and the digits are more than the more. So we can say that the which number is having more digit or greater, that is greater number. Now here the greater number is 2,345. Now next number, this is C. It is having 4 digits. This number is having 4 digits and this number is having 4 digits. This is 2,345. This is 2,245. Now first we will compare the first digit from the left, that is equal 2 and 2. Now we will compare the next digit from the left, that is 3 and that is 2. So we know the 3 is greater than 2. So the greater number is 2,345. Now number D is 7,091 and 7,709. Now we have to look at the digit. This is having 4 digit and this is also having 4 digit. Now we will compare the first digit from the left, that is 7 and 7. The both are equal. Now we will compare the next number from the left, that is 0 and that is 7. So we know the 7 is the greater than 0. So we can say the greater number is 7,709. Now we will do question 5. Question 5 is use the given digits to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. These are the 4 digits given and we have to make the greatest number and the smallest number. How we make? Now we have to know how to create the numbers that we have discussed in the previous video, that if we are making the greatest number by the digits, we arrange the digit in the descending order. And when we are making a smallest number, we are arranging the digits in ascending order. And if the 0 is given, so we put the 0 after a number, smallest number, to arrange in ascending order and to make a smallest number. Now look at the board. Number 8 digits are 4, 5, 0, 7. Here 0 is given, so we will put after the smallest number 0, and that is 7, 5 and 4. So 4 is the smallest number. If we ignore the 0, that is 4. Now we will put the 0. Now next digit after 4 is 5. The 5 is greater than, next is 5, and the greatest digit in this is 7. So 4057 is our smallest number. And when we arrange the greater number, we have to arrange these digits in descending order. So the greatest number is 7, and the smaller than 7 is 5, and the smaller than 5 is 4, and the smallest number is 0. So 7540 is the greatest number, and the smallest number is 4057. Now next digit is number B, 9842. Now greatest number, we have to arrange the greatest number. So first we will arrange these digits in descending order. So 9842, the greatest number is 9, the smaller than 9 is 8, the smaller than 8 is 4, and the smallest number is 2. So the 9842 is the greatest number, and the smallest number, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. First we will arrange the smallest number is 2, and greater than 2 is 4, and greater than 4 is 8, and the greater than 8 is 9. So smallest number is 2489, and 9842 is the greatest number. Now look at the number C, 2874. That is the digits. We have to arrange first greatest number. So we have to find the greatest digit. This is 2, this is 8, this is 7, this is 4. So 8 is the greatest number among the 4 digits. Now next number is 7, next 4, and next 2. So our greatest number is 8742. And when we arrange the numbers in smallest number, so we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order.